Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing my favorite Apple clothing brand shirt. If you watch my channel, I've unboxed a good amount of these, but this is the Emoji Mind Blown t-shirt from Apple, size medium. Let's go show you all their packaging. This is only sold at the Apple headquarters stores. So here we go. So it's the mind blown emoji. Let's see what it says on it. Apparently it has something special on the back. I think I already unboxed one of these actually before, but let's see. Mind blown, okay, just black on the front. One of my favorite emojis. And then on the back, it's plain except up here where it says, I visited Apple Park and it blew my mind. So that's it. I think they're sold out of this shirt. Quick unboxing. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Bye.